How to remove the chat feature in Roblox on Xbox.
Hello there. Are you looking to have a more uninterrupted gaming experience on Roblox, or perhaps you're a parent aiming to ensure a safer environment for your child? You've come to the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the process of disabling the chat feature in Roblox on Xbox.
Why would I want to remove the chat feature?
Roblox is a fun and interactive game that allows players to chat with each other. However, there may be times when you would prefer not to see the chat. It could be to avoid any potential inappropriate content or simply to have a less distracting gameplay experience. Disabling the chat feature can provide a safer and more focused environment.
What do I need before starting?
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: an Xbox console with Roblox installed, the account credentials, username and password of the Roblox account you wish to modify.
How do I disable the chat feature on Xbox?
Follow these steps to disable the chat feature in Roblox on your Xbox One. Open your Xbox and sign in to the Roblox account you want to manage. 2. Navigate to the Settings option in your Xbox 3. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy and Online Safety option and select it. 4. Once there, select Xbox Live Privacy. 5. Here you will find a variety of options. Navigate to View Details and Customize. 6. Scroll down until you find an option that says Communicate with Voice and Text. 7. Under this section, look for the option that relates to Roblox. You should see a toggle option next to it. 8. Switch the toggle off to disable the chat feature for Roblox. Please note that these settings may slightly vary based on Xbox updates. That's it. You have now successfully disabled the chat feature in Roblox on your Xbox. Remember, you can always enable it back whenever you want. We hope this guide has been helpful for you, and enjoy your more focused, safer gaming experience. See you next time.